I'm out in the hills along the West Australian coast. My main concern down here is to get to civilization. I'm in the middle of nowhere where the heat is exhausting and the sun is relentless. My priority is to get off these hills and to do it quick, before dehydration sets in. I heard of this one girl who became disorientated in the grain fields of the wheat belt. She lost her way and came across a unicorn. She was granted 3 wishes and she wished for gold and jewels. By the time a rescue team found her, she was dead. She was so desperate to take the treasure back with her, she died from dehydration and her body just gave up. It's a risk I don't want to take. I've just come across a great express road along the hills known as the Albany Highway. This road stretches for miles and miles. The main vehicles that come down here are lorries and exporting goods between towns. Here comes one now. Oh, look, look, look. In the bush, a kangaroo, look, look. The only problem with lorry drivers is they have a tight schedule to keep to. They get paid for the quickest time they can export their goods. They won't stop for anything. Keep your head down. You don't want your head taken off by one of these freight trains. Well, take a look at that. That lorry just took out that kangaroo. These guys are relentless. Let's go. Let's check it out. Oh, man. It was absolutely tore to pieces. Alright, what I'm going to do is skin this kangaroo, and this fur will come in handy. Freight trains may not stop out here for wildlife, but there is one thing that does. They're known as tourists. Alright, I can see a car coming over the horizon. I've skinned this kangaroo and kept the head on. And what I'm going to do is wrap myself in its skin and put my hand through its neck. Here we go. Yeah. Ugh. Alright, I got my fingers in. And use it like a lifelike kangaroo puppet. Alright, here they come.
Oh look, it's an Australian animal. What's it called again?
Oh my god, I think that's a koala.
Get the book, sweetie. We'll see what kind of bird it is.
Quick, honey, get the camera.
It's going around the side of the SUV. It's opening the door.
Oh my gosh, is that train? I'm pretty sure it's train, Greg. Look at that thing.
Now that I have them distracted, it's time to move.
Oh my god, it's starting the car. Look at that, it's starting the car.
It's in the car.
It's starting the car.
It's leaving in the car.
Oh my god.
Well, although this isn't ideal, to survive out here, you need to take your chances. I've got some transport and I'm on my way to the urban city of Perth, where there will be a large civilization and your ticket to safety. I'm Crackles Rylls, and you've just joined me on my hill survival journey.